Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Birthday Bash Kit. With this kit, you can create gift packaging to celebrate birthdays all year. This kit includes different packaging sizes and styles, so you can make sure it's a perfect fit for the occasion. It also coordinates with the Brightest Birthday Kit in our kits collection. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. This gift packaging is so much fun to make. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, Enjoy!